Hello everybody, you're welcome to my channel. So Gab here, the lonely step trader. So in this video I'm going to analyze the chart. I'm just going to run a quick analysis to show you about how I go about my trading. All right, so you can see we had something here and this trade is closed already. So over here, this is my watch list, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I have about 9 on my watch list. Should be 10 or 20 or thereabout, because this strategy is something else. Alright, so let's start from the first on the watch list, which is volatility 100. Alright, so we are going to start from the daily time frame. Alright, so on the daily time frame, there's nothing much to do here. Let's go to H4 time frame. On H4 time frame, there's absolutely nothing to do here. So what would I have done? We have done it already. So over here we have F all the way down, so it's nothing. So H1 time frame. All right, on H1 time frame, I think I'm saying something here. So on the H1 time frame, we have to connect our trend line. All right, so let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame to adjust it properly. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, we already had the break. So area of interest would be here for the retest, and also here. Oh bros, as you can see, the market just tipped up it and it's now going down, but it's okay. So we are currently not having a good position to enter this market right now. Guys, already I have a pending order on this market, so I just turned it off because of this analysis. So we are done with this one. Let's indicate our arrow that this market is going to go down as of now. So we don't know how far it can get, but we are looking at this. We are looking at this area. Possibly once it breaks through this level, it gets us down to this area. But I'm expecting something like they just take us back to this point, give us something like double top over here, so I can now enter the market and drive it to the downside. Alright guys, let's go to the second one. The second one, volatility 25, 1S 25, volatility 25. Let's start from the daily. Alright, over here on the daily, there's nothing to do. I'm not going to waste my time here. Go to the H4. On the H4, on the H4, there is actually something to do. Alright, so on the H4, we can see over here that we have points to connect. Alright, so now that we have it on the H4, let's go down to the H1. Okay, so that's what we have on the H1 still, all projecting the same thing. So we are just going to adjust our line properly, just to make sure we don't miss out. All right, so we are going to pick here at the second top point, first point, second point. So we will wait now. Let's go to 15 minutes to see how it's doing. All right, so this is why it's because of this that we have this instrument as this indices, this volatility 75. It's because of this analysis we have it as the second pair on our watch list. All right, so we are expecting the buy on this market, so we will enter when it's time. So we are done with that one. Let's go to the third one. All right, the third one, which is volatility 10. All right, so we start from the daily time frame. Oh yata guys, if you want to learn this strategy, use the link on my description. Hit me up, I'll teach you this thing. I teach in depth. It's a very simple strategy, very simple. Alright, let's go to H4 time frame. On H4, there's nothing to do here, bros. You guys can literally see for yourself what had happened, what we had done. So H1, on H1 time frame, okay, we have something now over here. So let's see, let's connect our stuff over here. All right, now we have to go down to the 15 minute time frame to see what's up. Okay, let's adjust our line properly. Okay, so we have gotten the break. As far as I'm concerned, we have gotten the break. This is something you won't understand though. If you're interested in this strategy, hit me up, and I'll put it through, okay? So our area of interest are going to be around these zones, okay? Within the retest or a retracement to this area, and we're going to buy the market to the top. All right, so we are expecting a buy on this market, a buy. So for now, I'm going to shift it to the side. Since this is the most recent point I'm seeing to connect my second trend, to use as my second point of my trend line. So we are expecting a buy on this one. So let's go to the next one. This is 15 minutes. We are done with this one. Step index. You already know what time it is. I'm the lonely step trader, guys. Did you see this? Did you see this? I entirely caught this trade from all the way to this place, guys. I think I will drop. Let me see. Let me check. I'll drop a screenshot of this trade over here. You see, caught this trade all the way from here to here. This is from here to here. It's about 50 pips, and you can see for yourself clearly. 500 points. That's what I backed out. No cap. So okay, so let's start from the daily time frame again on this guy. So there's nothing on the daily time frame. Let's go to the H4 time frame. Okay guys, if you have seen my last video, so on my last video, this was the area we were when I said it's looking like we are going to have our first buy of the month of April on step index, right? As you can see, just as I told you, that is how it happened, and I actually bought to the upside. It's as simple as ABC. So I have helped all the way from here to here, and now it's looking like we have to connect again and wait for the next juice to drop. All right, so we are going to connect our trend line, and we will go to the 15 minutes time frame right now. So on the 15 minutes, we have to adjust our trend line properly. All right, we have to adjust our trend line properly. So as of now, this is the highest that I'm seeing. All right, this is the highest. And where is this market going? This market is going to the upside. All right, so those are my analysis. Let me see if I have another one. All right, so this one. Okay guys, so this one in particular, as you can see, the market is here, and I think we have a trade on it. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, daily basically nothing to do. H4 basically nothing to do. H1 also nothing to do. So there is nothing to do on this trade. 15 minutes, nothing to do. Let's go here. So guys, can I show you these trades? All right, let me just show you this trade. Let me on my trade. All right, so now see, this is where I caught this trade, guys. You already know I predicted that the market was going to come down. All right, so my prediction was that the market will come down. I've been expecting it, and in my last video, you saw this bad. You saw it in my last video, and I said this market is going to come down. If you want to know why this bad is here, use the link in my subscription. And you're there still dulling. Guys, stop dulling. Use the link in my description to know how I did this. So over here you can see we had our break, and this is where we entered the trade. We actually had a stop loss hit over here. The first time we entered this trade, we had a stop loss hit because I was looking at this area as a strong point that could take the market to the downside, like this area. But it touches a couple of times and it broke to the upside. Notwithstanding, I knew it was coming for the retest. And what did I do? I'm down, and you can see where we are right now. I don't even want to show you people the trade, the amount I'm making on this trade. You do the math. This is volatility 75. This is 0.1 lot size, and you can see where I entered the trade over here. You can see where we currently at right now. So you do the math. All right, so we are hoping to get this trade down to this point. You see this channel right now, right? So if you don't know how to trade before, if you're looking at just using the patterns to trade the market, what would have happened? You would have been expecting this market to break up this pattern because this is the first touch, second touch, and the third touch, you would have been waiting for it to break so you can like, and you can now take the market to the upside to 90%, right? Yeah, that would have been your thought, your mindset, but you don't know how to trade, and that's why you'll be waiting for those things. So over here, guys, you can see this is it. I'm angry right now because I don't plan. I had no plan of raising this video to this point. So over here we had this market like over here, right? And this market put us into profit up to this area. So this is just me, like I broke even, but I wanted to do something. I had to trail my stop loss to this level instead of just above this level. I placed it just at this level. As you can see, the market took me out and see what is happening. It's going down. Let's go back, and it didn't give us another entry at all. And the market, damn it, bros. Damn it. I'm not going to look at that market. I'm angry. So over here on volatility 150, the daily. Let's go start from the daily. Okay, bros. Okay, you see what the daily did, guy. If you know, you know. Alright, so over here till down. Alright, there's nothing to do here. Let's check H1. Okay, H1 also did us good, if you know what I mean. So 15 minutes, there's nothing to do here currently. You leave that space. So bro, see, let me tell you guys something. This strategy is so sweet that you cannot even enter all the analysis you make. You will be losing out. Do you understand? You will be losing out on trades because they are too much. They are too much. It's too much, guys. It's too much. I don't even know why I'm showing you people this thing. I should be hiding my chart. You get? So I'm giving this thing out for free. All you have to do for me is click on the subscribe button, share this video, and let's keep it going. Okay? So if you're interested in how I trade and you want to learn more in depth, I am open, guys. You can use the link in the description and reach me on WhatsApp. Somebody from my team will definitely attend to you and we'll move forward. So guys, it's your boy Gab, the Lonely Step Trader. Peace.